So the way I clean this hardware, I did this before on the front door, and it came out pretty good. I got a old pot from Goodwill or something. So I've got the hardware in there, and then I take baking soda, pure baking soda, and I cover the hardware as much as possible. I fill it up with just enough water to kind of cover everything, so it's mostly baking soda. So I'll put it on high just to get the water to boil, and then once it starts boiling, I'll cut it down to a simmer for, kind of just depends. Whenever the paint will kind of just peel off on its own is when I pretty much pull it out. So this hardware has been in here, I don't know, 10 minutes or so, I guess. And you can see, the paint just comes right off. These hinges aren't perfect. There is a little bit of surface rust, a little bit of tarnish, but they are original to the house, so kind of would like to keep them. I'll let them sit a little bit longer. Experience has told me this part right here, right where this screwdriver is a little hard to get after it cools off, so I like to make sure I get it. Also, these balls, the pins for the hinges, can be a little difficult, so I like to, and for whatever reason the paint is on there pretty thick. But anyways, I'll let those, I'll probably let them sit another 10-15 minutes, and then take them downstairs. I've got some fine steel wool and some Brasso, and clean those up. Then once I hang the door, it'll be new. I have new brass screws, so it'll look pretty good. So now I've got the hinges down in the basement. I'll use, what is that, 00, I think. I'll use 00 steel wool and Brasso and clean them up. So you can see all this really is just the the baking soda, kind of cleaning up the paint. So the beauty is now some of this paint, you can see it just kind of peels off. So what I'm doing now with the steel wool is cleaning up any little surface stuff, any remaining paint, and getting the baking soda off.